guys. Today I'm at Lake Tahoe and I'm currently on a boat cruise. It's going to take about 2 hours and I'm really excited because I've actually never been here before. All the way up to Emerald Bay. It was a pretty scary drive up here actually, but the view is so worth it. And the reason why it's called Emerald Bay is because if you look closely, the waters are actually a little bit green. And the reason for that is because the more shallow that the water is, the more green light that it reflects. Happy Sunday, guys. Today we're in Sugar Pine Beach and we just parked, but right now we're trying to find the actual trail down to the beach. We also heard from someone that there's going to be ice cream there, so we're trying to find that as well. Today we also brought Kairos the Corgi along for the ride. He's so happy to be out and about. Hi.
有一些历史的东西，要不要看？
So we finally made it to the beach. I'm sitting on this little ledge in the water right now, just relaxing. And the water is so blue. There's a lot of people swimming, doing water sports. Today is such a nice day.